Hi, this is Chris Escato with Salamander Designs, and I'm here in Westchester, Pennsylvania at New Era Technology. And I'm going to be talking to Scott, who's a team lead on their engineering team, about a signature Teams room that they have set up here in their showroom. So why don't we come in, we'll talk to Scott and check out this room. Hi, Scott.
Hello, Chris.
How's
How
it
you
going?
doing?
Good, good, good.
Nice to see you.
Thanks for having me, and thanks for setting up such a beautiful room. So this is a Teams room experience, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. And so tell us why New Era decided to go with Salamander in this space.
Well, we've been using Salamander for a number of years. We have a great relationship with them, and we understand the value of what they can deliver. And here in this room, you see the nice, clean lines of both the table here with the chairs for the participants to sit at, as well as the credenza here, which is a beautiful piece of furniture, clean lines, but also both of these pieces of furniture are very easy to assemble, get it right the first time. But once you put them together, they're also easy to integrate the audio-visual components that we're working with as part of the work that we do on a general basis. Easy to install things in the cabinet, easy to install the display to the cabinet. No need to reinforce the wall because the cabinet supports all the weight and does all the heavy lifting for you. It's a real simple installation, but a beautiful look in the end.
Yeah, yeah, thank you. And there's also a partnership with Jupiter and Jabra as well. Is that correct?
That's correct. Yeah, so we've used their components here and the camera and speaker bar. There's great components. The touch panel as well works together perfectly to help facilitate our meetings that we have constantly throughout the day in this facility.
Yeah, and that's a Jupiter 81-inch display, right?
That's correct.
Yeah,
Yep.
and but this cabinet can actually go up to a 400-pound display and easily do the 105 as well. And in fact, now we even have cabinets that are 6 inches deep. So this one is 12 inches deep. We have 6-inch deep cabinets now as well, and the 4 bays are UL listed to go up to a 400-pound display. And of course, we also have the 21-inch deep, which is completely freestanding. Don't even need to touch the wall. These thinner guys, all they need is just drywall anchors. But again, as you mentioned, no need for wall construction. It's construction free. With both the cabinets and the table, we actually have an online design tool. So anyone that is interested in specifying can get a spec sheet and pricing and a drawing and a render of their particular use case in about 5 minutes, which is pretty cool.
It's amazing.
So, yeah, yeah. So Scott, thanks for having me. Really appreciate it. Really
We
appreciate
love the
the
product.
partnership.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
So this is
Thank
Chris
you
with
so much.
Salamander. If you want more information, just go to salamandercommercial.com and you'll get information on all of our products, our tables, our cabinets, our mobile carts, and also those online design tools, as I mentioned before. Thank you. Have a great day.